Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, in today's class, we will start with binary number system. लास्ट क्लास का जो नोट है वो हम गूगल क्लासरूम पे अपलोड कर देंगे. नेटवर्क की इशू के वजह से हम नहीं कर पाए थे, आज हम कर देंगे वो. और इन टुडेज क्लास विल स्टार्ट विथ नंबर सिस्टम. आप लोग को क्लियरली दिखाई दे रहा है ना?
कुछ
सॉरी,
हेलो,
इज इट विजिबल टू यू ऑल?
आवाज नहीं आ रहा.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, in case of number system, the number system is divided into 4 parts. First is your binary number system. Second is your decimal number system. Third is your octal number system. And fourth is your hexadecimal number system. So, in case of number system, it is divided into 4 parts. First is your binary number system, second decimal number system, third octal number system, and the fourth one is your hexadecimal number system. First of all, one by one, we will get to know what each number system actually denotes, and later on, we will go on conversion of one number system to another. Means we will change a binary number system to decimal, decimal to octal, octal to hexadecimal, and vice versa. First, we will get to know what each number system actually is. So first is my binary number system. So in case of binary number system, as I've already told you earlier, this number system consists of 2 base, that is 0 and 1. This number system consists of only two numbers, that is 0 and 1. As there are two numbers which denote this binary number system, the base of the number system is 2. क्योंकि ये जो नंबर सिस्टम है, ये नंबर सिस्टम में सिर्फ दो ही डिजिट यूज होता है, एक है आपका 0, दूसरा है आपका 1. And as there are two different type of number used to represent the binary number system, hence the base of the binary number system is 2. Next is your decimal number system. In case of decimal number system, the base of this number system is 10. How? The decimal number system consists of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So base of the number system is 10 and the decimal number system starts from 0 to 9. Next is your octal number system. The octal number system consists of 0 to 7. How? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what will be its base? Its base will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the last one is your hexadecimal number system. In case of hexadecimal number system, it consists of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, up to 15. So how many numbers are there? Total 16 numbers are there, starting from 0 to 15. So if you see it clearly, the binary number system consists of two numbers, that is 0 and 1, and its base is 2. For decimal number system, it starts from 0 to 9, its base is 10. For octal, 0 to 7, its base is 8. For hexadecimal, it starts from 0 to 15, the base is 16. Right. Now, what I have done to represent this decimal, octal, and hexadecimal number, I have used the numerics of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like this. But as I have told you earlier, the computer never ever understand this type of number system, means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ये कुछ भी इसको समझ में नहीं आता. What the computer basically do, it will convert this type of number system to its own representable or understandable number system, that is in terms of 0 and 1. Each of this number will be converted to in the form of 0 and 1. How? This is called weighted binary method. वेटेड बाइनरी मेथड में क्या होता है, ये जो टेबल अभी हम बना रहे हैं या फिर चार्ट हम बना रहे हैं, इसको बहुत ध्यान से देखना, क्योंकि ये जो मॉड्यूल 3 है, मॉड्यूल 3 में जितना सारा आपका काम होगा, whatever you will do, you will design based on this particular table. This is very much important, or the basic table of your module 3. 2 to the power 0, इसको अगर थोड़ा फैला के लिखते हैं, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, and 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 0 can be written as 1, 2 to the power 1 can be written as 2, this is 4, and this is 8. This is also called 8421 method. So why it's called 8421? 8421. Now we will see why this 8421 is used and how the number system is calculated based on this. यहाँ पे I'm writing the decimal numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So for 0, I'm representing it as in 0, 0, 0, 0. Right? For 1, to make it 1, what I have to do? 1 के नीचे 1 लिख दिए, बाकी सब में 0. Basically, what we are doing, we are adding these terms. 1 के साथ 0, 0, 0, 0 अब add करो, 1 ही आएगा. Next for 2, to make the number system 2, 2 के नीचे 1 लिख दे रहे हैं, बाकी सब में 0. For make it 3, 2 plus 1, 2 के नीचे 1, 1 के नीचे 1, बाकी सब में 0. 4 के लिए डायरेक्ट यहाँ पे 1 लिख दिए, बाकी सब में 0. Next for 5, 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 and 1. Others are 0. This is for 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now for 6. So how will make it 6? 4 plus 2 is 6. For 7, 4 plus 2 plus 1, 1, 1, 1. For 8, डायरेक्ट 8 के नीचे हम लोग 1 लिख रहे हैं. For 9, 8 plus 1. For 10, 8 plus 2, 10. For 11, right? For 12, so for 15, you can see if you add up all
मैम
these
नहीं
four
समझे
numbers,
पे
समझा रही, इसको फिर से हम बताएंगे. देखिए, राइट साइड में हम क्या लिखे हैं? 0 to 15, right? This upper part is called the weighted binary form. Why weighted binary form? In binary number system, we represent as it is. I am converting this number to binary number. Decimal number को हम binary number में convert कर रहे हैं. Binary का base क्या है? Base is 2. So here I am putting 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. As because I am converting it to binary number system, इसका base है 2, this base is 2, and this is 2 to the power 0, 1, 2, 3. Because it is calculated on the base of 2 to the power n, which is started from 0 to n. And this right side bit is called least significant bit, and the leftmost bit is called most significant bit. In always in digital circuit or decimal, अब जहाँ पे भी एक check करोगे, in decimal number system or in digital electronic circuit, whenever we count a binary bit, we always start counting from the right side, because the right side bit is called as a least significant bit and the leftmost bit is called the most significant bit. जब भी हम लोग count करेंगे, we will always start counting from the right side. Right? So here also I have put 2 as in the base of the binary number system, and 2 to the starting from 2 to the power 0 to 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 तक हम लोग क्यों लिए हैं? Because I am only calculating the values up to 15। आगे जाके जब इसको आप इस्तेमाल करोगे ना, तो तभी आपको ये बहुत क्लियर हो जाएगा। इसका बहुत एप्लीकेशन है, बहुत मीन्स क्या, पूरा डिजिटल या फिर आपका जो थर्ड मॉड्यूल है दैट्स कंप्लीटली बेस्ड ऑन दिस थिंग। ये उसका बेस है, राइट। फर्स्ट देखिए 2 to the power 1 को हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करें। इट्स रिप्रेजेंट एज 1। बेसिक जो नंबर सिस्टम है, आप जैसे मैथ्स करते हो, 2 to the power 1 में 2 to the power 2 means 4, 2 to the power 3 means 8, right? So now ये जो कैलकुलेशन है ये कैसे होता है। फर्स्ट मेरा डेसिमल नंबर क्या है, दैट इज माय 0। सो 0 कैन बी रिप्रेजेंट लाइक, यहाँ पे हम थोड़ा लिखते हैं तो 8 into 0 plus 4 into 0 plus 2 into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus is equal to, सबके साथ 0 मल्टीप्लीकेशन में क्या हो जाएगा, आपका अल्टीमेट रेट से 0 ही आना है। सो व्हाट आई हैव डन, I have put 0 in every corresponding value, right? So for 1, so to make this combination value to 1, what you will need to do, 8 into 0 plus 4 into 0 plus 2 into 0, 1 into 1. So what will be my final outcome value? 8 into 0, 0, 4 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, final value will be 1. So this representing, this whole 4-bit is representing the value of 1. Next for 2, you can see 1 into 0, 2 into 1, others are 0. 2 into 1 means it will give you the value of 2. For 3, 8 into 0, 4 into 0, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. 2 into 1 will give you 2, 1 into 1 will give you 1. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. Likewise, if you come to the last one, for 15, you can see all the values are kept as 1. Means 8 into 1 plus 4 into 1, 2 into 1 and 1 into 1. That will give you 8 plus 4 is 12. Plus 2 will be your 14, plus 1 is your 15. So this binary number system is representation of the decimal number system. इसको एक ट्रिक्स बता रहे हैं आपको याद रखने के लिए, ये आप याद रखिए। ऐसे इसको एक एक करके कोई याद नहीं रखता, हम लोग कोई मतलब कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्टूडेंट ऐसे इसको याद नहीं रखता। आपको ट्रिक्स बता रहे हैं, अब इसको बहुत ध्यान से देखना। फर्स्ट 0 आप छोड़ दीजिए, फर्स्ट आई हैव रिटन 0, राइट। आप बस इतना याद रखिए, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 0 यू नीड टू राइट द नंबर्स ऑफ द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 1 and 0। 0 के बाद आपका जो नॉर्मल नंबर सिस्टम होता है, मींस दैट इज अ डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम बेसिकली। तो नॉर्मल नंबर सिस्टम में 0 के बाद 1 और 0 के कॉम्बिनेशन वाला कौन सा नंबर है, मुझे बताइए, जस्ट 0 के बाद। If I tell you, if I ask you for the numbers from 1 to 100, suppose I'm asking you to count from 1 to 100, and I'm only asking you to tell me those numbers which are in combination of 1 and 0. So what will be the next number after 0 between 1 to 100? क्या होगा 0 के बाद?
10 होगा।
1, 10, 100.
1 आएगा फर्स्ट,
Yes.
फर्स्ट 1 will
10,
come. 1 के बाद आएगा 10, 10 के बाद आएगा 11,
100.
नेक्स्ट आफ्टर 11 100, 100 के बाद 101,
1, 1, 1, 1.
110. Remember the sequence: 1, 10, 11, then 100, 100 के बाद 101, 101 के बाद 110, 110 के बाद 111, नेक्स्ट 1000, 1000 के बाद 1001, 1001 के बाद 1010, 1011, then 10, 10, 11, 100, no, 100, 101, 110, 111. So if you write this, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. ये जो सिस्टम है ये कहाँ से आया? Depending on this weighted binary method or 8 to 4 1 method, this number system is calculated. But to remember this, हमेशा आपको ये टेबल बना के आप एग्जाम में करने जाओगे, you won't get time for it. और जब भी बहुत सारा इसका एप्लीकेशन है, ये टेबल आप बनाने जाओगे एग्जाम में या फिर आप सोचने जाओगे, this will be very much difficult for you. So what you will do, you will just remember the sequence. What you need to do, you need to just remember the numbers sequentially starting from 0 to 1 1 1 1 with the combination of the numbers of 0 and 1. 0 और 1 के combination में जितना सारा आपका number है, starting from 0 to 1 1 1 1, just you remember those number in this proper sequence. That is only the number representation from 0 to 15 of decimal number system. Right? इसमें हम क्या कर रहे थे देखिए, as I am representing it as in 4-bit, each number is called bit. In case of decimal number system, each number is called single bit. So as this number is representing using 4 bits, this is called 4-bit number system. So as it a 4-bit number system, जहां जहां पे मेरा null था, कुछ भी value नहीं था, वहां वहां क्या हम एक 0 put कर देंगे. I'm just simply writing 0 where there were no values. Right? So one more thing to remember, I have already told you there are another number system that is called your hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system में क्या होता है? After 9, no more we say it is 10. We start counting as in A. 11 is considered as B, 12 as in C, 13 as in D, 14 is E, and 15 is called F. In case of hexadecimal number system, there are values from 0 to 15, right? But after 9, we don't call it as in 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Rather, we call it as in A, B, C, D, E, F. So whenever you will see A, you will automatically understand this is nothing but 10. जब भी आप books को follow करोगे, in case of hexa number system, what it will be look like? Suppose there is written ABH or AB 10. So from the base, this is written as in 16. So this will be representation of hexadecimal number system. This is the base of the number system. It can be either represented as 16 or you can represent this as in H. H also stands for hexadecimal number system, right? And the number is written as AB. AB means this A stands for 10 and this B stands for 11. This is how a hexadecimal number system is represented. I will come to this today only in a elaborating one. So first, if you go to this table, this is basically the representation of a weighted decimal number system using the numbers from 0 to 15, and these are the corresponding binary values of the number system. Right. So now you will see how we will use this number system to convert from one number system to another. First is your decimal to binary number system. This is your code conversion. First is your decimal to binary number system. So suppose I have given you 52. 52 is a normal number. Normal number means it is in decimal number system form. Here I have put 10. Why 10? If it is written like 52 base 10, you will automatically understand this number system is in in the form of decimal number system because here the base is 10. In each number system, they are represented as with the base of the number system. So you can make it a clear idea that this number is in which number system actually. So if I write it like this, 52 base 8, what you will get to know from this number system, this 52 is in octal number system. When I change this base value to 10, you will get to know this is in the form of decimal number system. If I write it like this, 16, you will understand this 52 is in hexadecimal number system. I'm just telling you the representation of the number system. Now, binary, so the base will be 2. So to make this 52 to binary number system, what I have to do? I have to divide this with 2. Why 2? The base of the binary number system is 2. Hence, I am dividing the 52 value by 2. So if I divide this, what will come to it? It will be 26. There is no remainder. So I'm just writing 0 as in here. As because 52 is completely divisible by 2, there is no remainder. So after dividing 52 by 2, we are getting no remainder, that is 0. I'm just writing 0 next to the value of 26. बस ये ध्यान में रखना, हम किसके साइड में 0 लिख रहे हैं, आप इधर उधर कहीं पे भी नहीं लिख सकते. Remember the sequence where I'm writing 0, where I'm writing the remainder, where I'm writing the divisor, everything. Next, further divide 26 by 2 again. It will be 13. Again, no remainder is there. I'm writing 0 over here. Next, by 2 again. So 6 2s are 12. It is 13. So the remainder is 1. I'm writing 1 as in remainder here. Next, 3 2s are 6. Again, there is no remainder. Again by 2. So there will be 1 remainder, right? So as I have already came to the point as 1. 1 pe hum aage. So what will be the respective binary number of it? We will start counting this sequence. Just follow the arrow. So how I will write it? First 1, this one, next this one, next 0, 1, 0, 0. This is the binary representation of 52. If 52 is in decimal number system, what I will do to convert it to binary number system, I will simply divide it by 2. 2 से हम divide करेंगे. We will see whether there is remainder or not. If there is no remainder, I will simply write 0 next to it. If there are remainder, I will simply write 1 next to it. And
तो
when this completes, हाँ बोलो.
LCM लेके जो रिमाइंडर बचेगा उसी से बनेगा ना मैम.
Exactly, देखो 2 से हम 52 को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, 26 के साथ 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 52 आता है. There is no remainder. I'm simply writing 0 over here. कब तक ये कंटिन्यू करेंगे? जब तक मुझे ये लास्ट वाला वैल्यू 1 नहीं मिल जाता. I will show you more example. So make it clear.
ब्रैकेट में लिखे 1 1 से, ठीक है, तो ऊपर से लिख सकते हैं क्या 0 0 से या फिर
No. This is the sequence of writing the number.
Okay.
This is only the sequence. You have to start from this and you have to end to the upper point. क्यों इसको हम दिखाते हैं? Why I'm writing in this sequence? As this is binary number system, what I have told, the base will be 2 and it will be in the form of 2 to the power n. So we will start with 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4 and so on. So let me check it from this. ये जो है मेरा 0, I'm just simply multiplying it with this. इसके साथ इसको हम multiply कर दे. इसको पहले लिख लेते हैं चलो. 1 1 0 1 0 0. First 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, and in between it will be plus. So now if you calculate this value, 2 to the power something into 0 means it will be automatically 0. You don't need to calculate of this power value, 0. 2 to the power 2 means 4 into 1, that will become 4, right? This is 0. 2 to the power 4 means it will be 16, right? And 2 to the power 5 means it will become 32, right? Now add up these all values. 16 plus 4 means 20. 20 plus 32 will become 52. Is this satisfying the value of 52?
Yes.
So if this is the binary number system, you can say this is its corresponding decimal number value. अगर आपको कंफ्यूजन हो एग्जाम में, चलिए माने आपको वैल्यू दिया गया है सपोज 52 डेसिमल टू बाइनरी कन्वर्शन, आप इसको बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट किए, बट इफ यू आर इन डाउट दैट आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, यू हैव कन्वर्टेड दिस इन राइट फॉर्म और नॉट, व्हाट यू कैन डू, यू कैन चेक इट लाइक दिस. Starting from 0, you just put the power values with the increasing manner and just add up the values. If these two values match, then you are sure that the number you have converted it to binary value is the perfect one or the right one. I'm showing you more examples. See, suppose I'm writing 44. I haven't written anything above. So from the base, you will automatically get to know this is in decimal number system and it will be changed to binary number system. The examiner have asked you to change this decimal number system to binary number system. How? From the base value. As this is 10 and this value is 12. 2. So what you will do? You will simply write 44 and start dividing it by 2. So 42 is divided by 22. There is no remainder. Again 2. 11 into 2 is 22. Again no remainder. 5 2s are 10. There is remainder 1. 2 2s are 4. Again remainder 1. 2 1s are 2. There is no remainder. So what will be the corresponding binary value of it? In this sequence. How? 1 0 1 1 0 0. This is the corresponding binary value of this decimal value. So now if you cross check it whether you have converted this decimal value to a proper binary system or not, what you will do, just write down the binary value 1 0 1 1 0 0. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5. Just add on this multiplication values. So for this, you can see it's 0. Again, it's 0. 2 to the power 2 means 4. 2 to the power 3 means 8. This is into 0. And 2 to the power 5 means 32. Add up all these values. 32 plus 8 is 40. 40 plus 4 is 44. This you can call decimal to binary and binary to decimal conversion. यहाँ पे आप क्या कह रहे हो? You are converting decimal number system to binary one, and from this you are converting the binary number system to decimal one. This is the vice versa process.
इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आएगा ना मैम?
हाँ,
इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आएगा? आता है
इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन. कोड कन्वर्शन आता है.
तो वेरिफिकेशन करने के लिए आएगा? नहीं,
वेरिफिकेशन हम बस आपको इतना यही सिखा रहे हैं क्योंकि सिखा रहे हैं ताकि आपको अगर कहीं पे कंफ्यूजन हो, so you can check it from like this.
Okay.
This is for your own safety measurement बोल सकते हैं. But ये वेरिफिकेशन प्रोसेस से आपको क्या समझ में आ जाए, मतलब व्हाट यू गेट टू नो फ्रॉम दिस, decimal to binary conversion as well as binary to decimal conversion. In exam, suppose you can be asked to convert a decimal number system to binary, or you can be asked to convert a binary number system to decimal number system. Suppose I'm giving an example. Suppose you have given a question like this: 1 0 1 1. In the question you have asked like this. So what is this? Here you have been asked to convert the binary number system to decimal, right? So what you will do? You will simply write these values like this. Starting from 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. This is 1, this is 2, this is 0, this is 8. So it will be 8 plus 2 plus 1, that is 11. Two types of question can be asked from decimal and binary number system. That is, either you can be asked to change the decimal number system to binary, or you can be asked to change the binary number system to decimal. Right? Vice versa can be possible. One last example I'm showing you, like I'm giving the example of 444. Suppose this is in the base of 10, you need to convert it as like this. Just a moment. See what I'm doing. I'm just writing 444. I will divide it by 2. So it will be 2, 2, 2. No remainder. 1, 1, 1. Again, no remainder. This will be 55. Remainder will be 1. 2 से हम करते 27, right? Right, 27. There is 1 remainder. Again from 2. Again 1 remainder. 1, 0, 1. So it will be counted from this side. What will be the corresponding value of binary number? 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So if I check this value, let me check this value. This is 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 to the power 2 means 4 plus 8 plus 4 means 16 plus 32. 2 to the power 7 means how much? (64 into 2), 128 into 2, 356. So if you add up all these values, it will be like, ये आप कैलकुलेशन करके देख लेना. 444 जो है इसको हम 2 से डिवाइड किए. Whatever values are coming, I'm just calculating the value from down to the upward. This sequence will be the binary representation of the decimal representation of the number. So anyone have any doubt?
कनेक्ट होना क्या फिर से?
हाँ बोलो.
कनेक्ट होना है क्या फिर से? 1 मिनट से कम टाइम.
हाँ 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 हाँ, फिर से कनेक्ट होना है.